Your unit will be supplied with either locking stem type casters or adjustable legs and should only be installed when the cabinet is close to its final installation site. To install the casters or legs, carefully tilt the cabinet back and position wooden blocks or something similar under the cabinet to hold the cabinet in its tilted position. Locate the threaded holes in each corner on the bottom of the cabinet. Screw the casters or legs into each of the threaded holes, making sure they are flush with the cabinet and tightened well. If the casters or legs are not installed tightly, the cabinet will be unstable and may sway or rock, which can damage the cabinet. Repeat this procedure by tilting the cabinet in the opposite direction and installing the remaining casters or legs. All adjustable legs are equipped with bullet-type leveling bolts located at the base of the legs. These bolts can be turned by hand or with a wrench, clockwise or counterclockwise, to level the cabinet. If the height of a caster needs to be raised, shims must be installed under the casters which need leveling. Large washers available at most hardware stores can be used to shim casters or contact the factory for caster shims. Do not attempt to level casters by unscrewing them from the cabinet and leaving them loose, as this will cause damage to the cabinet and hole threads, voiding all warranties. It is extremely important that your cabinet is perfectly level for proper operation. If it is not level, the doors will not be properly aligned and will not provide a good gasket seal. It will also cause excessive amount of ice or condensation, and this will accumulate on the inside of the cabinet. This should be confirmed prior to calling for warranty service. When considering a Continental refrigerator unit, please contact the factory or visit our website at www.continentalrefrigerator.com for current product information, as our product specifications are subject to change without notice.